Rough diamonds are fascinating, natural stones that can vary in color, size, and clarity. Unlike cut and polished diamonds, rough diamonds are unrefined and often harder to identify. One of the simplest ways to test if a rough diamond is real at home is the scratch test. This method takes advantage of a diamond's exceptional hardness. What is the rough diamond scratch test? The scratch test is a basic way to check a stone's hardness. Diamonds are the hardest known natural mineral, rated 10 on the Mohs scale of mineral hardness. This means a real diamond can scratch almost any other material, while most other stones cannot scratch a diamond. Materials you'll need. To safely perform a scratch test at home, gather the following: the rough diamond to test, a piece of glass or quartz, hard but softer than diamond, a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe. Optional, gloves to handle the stone safely. Note, never use metals like knives or screwdrivers as they can damage both the diamond and the surface you're testing on. Step-by-step guide. 1. Clean the stone. Wash the rough diamond to remove dirt and oils. This ensures a clear test. 2. Choose a test surface. Use glass or quartz. Diamonds can scratch these surfaces easily, but glass or quartz cannot scratch diamonds. 3. Perform the scratch. Hold the rough diamond firmly. Gently press the diamond against the glass or quartz. Drag it lightly in one direction. Avoid heavy pressure to prevent breakage. 4. Check the results. If the diamond leaves a scratch on the surface, it is likely genuine. If it does not scratch, it may be another stone, such as quartz, zircon, or moissanite. 5. Use magnification. Examine the scratch under a magnifying glass to ensure it's actually a mark left by the diamond. Important safety tips. Always handle rough diamonds carefully. They can have sharp edges. Avoid testing on surfaces that you care about, as scratches are permanent. Remember, while the scratch test can indicate hardness, it is not a 100% guarantee of authenticity. For complete verification, professional gemological tests like thermal conductivity or spectroscopy are recommended. Other methods to complement the scratch test: water drop test. Observe if water beads up on the stone. Diamonds have high surface tension. Fog test. Breathe on the stone. Real diamonds disperse heat quickly and won't fog easily. UV light test. Some diamonds fluoresce under UV light. Conclusion. The rough diamond scratch test is a simple and accessible way to check the authenticity of a diamond at home. By carefully following the steps and combining this test with other observations, you can get a reliable indication of whether your rough diamond is real. However, for a definitive answer, it's always best to consult a certified gemologist.